everyone, this is Sandy Crane at the Heart, and I am back to make a card with you guys today. So we're going to make a shaker card, and I am using the most adorable collection from the Not Too Shabby shop, which is Gingerbread Kisses. It was a bundle. I'm also going to be using some glue, maybe. I don't know if I'm going to need it. I think so. The stamp sets and dies, I use those. And I also have the ephemera here in case I need that. I'm using the honeybee embellishments. This one is called Cookies for Santa. I think I got this last year, and I don't even think I used it, so it's still sealed. And here are my pieces that I have ready to go. Okay, so what I did, so I have an A2 size card, and this is a more traditional, kind of way to do a shaker card. So I've got this, and what I did was, you can see my little markings right here, is I marked where this is going to go. This piece right here is going to fit in the little marks, and then this is going to go on top. So let's go ahead and get that down. Let's get this down. Hopefully my glue isn't too stuck, because I did not do a good job of cleaning my glue beforehand. Let's hope this can, okay, so let's hope it comes out okay. So you can see we've got some glue issues. Here we go. So I'm going to put down some glue, and I'm just going to kind of fit it in those spots that I have marked, and that makes sure, because I kind of marked them so that when this goes over, it'll kind of fit as well as I can anyway. So I'm using, this is foam tape, is from Studio Katja. I don't love it because I find the liner really hard to get off. So I'll show you what I mean. Hopefully it'll be easier for me, but I have no guarantees that that's going to happen. So I'm going to go ahead and tear this open and put down some sequins. The one thing I do like about this tape is it's a little bit of a higher tape, like a thicker tape. So it sits a little bit higher, so you get a better shake. I guess you should say. I should say a better shake. I'm going to stick that like that because I'm going to need my scissors to kind of help me get this up. I was using my little pokey tool, and that works really well, but I don't know what I did with it. It's like, when I say that my desk is a mess, I mean like the worst mess you've ever seen kind of mess. I'm working on like 2 inches of space right now. See, and the problem too is when you try to get this liner up, like some of the sticky comes up. It's not my favorite. I really like the one from, I forget where it is, but I like the 3M. The liner comes up very easily, but the 3M, you have to like double up on it. Here we go. Got it. So I will say that this is, and I poked myself with the pokey tool trying to get it up, and it's just, ugh. Getting stab marks. That's not cool. See, it's like really hard to get up. There you go. So I've got that. It's kind of like the hardest part of the whole thing. So I did put some acetate already down. And I am notorious for forgetting the acetate and then trying to put it together and then try to put the acetate on afterwards, and that's just a hot mess. So we got that. And then I'm going to go ahead and place this down. So it's a little bit, he's a little bit off. I'm not going to worry about it too much. There's my shake. And I'm going to put my my guy kind of down here. And I've got that. I've got my sentiment. Okay, I'm ready to go. So I colored my image. The image I'm using is this big gingerbread image. And it's adorable. So I colored it in with my Copics. And then I used some pops of color, which is kind of like a stickles, over the cookies, what I imagine are the cookies. And let's see what else. So yeah, just simple coloring, nothing too crazy. And I went ahead and I put double-sided tape on the back of here. So I'm going to put it like towards the bottom so it's on the acetate, but also a little bit on the paper, so that'll help keep everything kind of down. And then on top, some like foam dots, I guess. I put my sentiments, which is the gingerbread hugs, and that's just going to go also right at the top. And you can see how adorable that is. And you can see how it shakes really well. And so for the inside, I have not put my holiday sentiment, but I am going to put one of the ephemera pieces in here. And that's a good way of using the ephemera. That as well as like strips of scrap paper. Sometimes I'll do that, which I probably should have done for this one, but I didn't think of it. And so there we go. And so I've got a card made, and I love how it shakes, and I think the mix matches really well. So I think it's very, very cute. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Paint the Heart.